Where are you from?
Mexico.
Yeah!
I like it.
So what?
It's marvelous.
Do you want a cup? For
What's your
beer?
name?
Do you want bambus?
This way.
Do you want bambus?
Do you want šljivovica?
Some wine. Do you want some wine? Cool.
Do you want kasaša?
That's drink named bambus.
Okay.
Okay, bambus.
Bambus.
Daj se još jedan bambus.
Bonjour, I'm Ivan. Ivan, okay. Nice to meet you.
Also,
Nice to
okay.
meet you. Nice to meet you.
Ivan also.
Ivan to Ivan. Yeah.
No,
Oh, no entiendo puta madre lo que me
Daj ga pozdrav ko ja kad pozdravljam.
Salud!
Salute!
Yeah, salud! We say in Mexico, we say arriba, abajo, al centro, y adentro.
Drink some. Oh! 50 plus cost.
I'm going to Disney.